Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, pasensya na, medyo delay. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap. Wala pa nga eh. Nagbabalasa pa lang. Iba sa inyo hindi makatulog. Bakit? Or merong hindi makatulog dahil sa something. We'll see. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, sa mga nag-like, mga nag-share, at saka nag-comment, nag-subscribe, thank you so much po. Highly appreciated. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Mga ano ng collective ngayon. Queen of Pentacles. Gandang simula. Naibalasa ko na ba sa harap niya? Balasahin nga natin. Pasensya na po kung mahina ang boses ko, no? Kasi may mga kapitbahay po tayo. Pero sana naman, kahit na mahina, clear. Lumabas ulit to. Knight of Cups. The Moon Guard. So, simple lang. Sa tatlong card na to, okay. Merong gustong mag-offer ng emotion sa'yo dito, Virgo. Knight in Shining Armor. Hopelessly romantic. Ish, andito na naman tayo. Nakikita ka niya as very grounded, motherly figure, all about finances, giver, knows how to handle finances. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Or nakikita ka nito as very resourceful with the Queen of Pentacles, or ang character ng Queen of Pentacles. This is how the person perceives you, or either way, Virgo. Pero hidden. Okay. So, meron kang secret admirer dito. Or meron kang crush. Either way lang. So, let's see, Virgo. Anong energy ng UVG Collective? Seven of Wands. King of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Nakikita ka ng person na to as single. You can do your own thing. Buy your own thing. Pay your own bills, Virgo. Very independent person. Kaya lang nakikita niya or dinidepensahan niya yung emotion niya dito. Pinipilit niyang itago. Okay. Pero gusto niya mag-offer dito with the Knight of Cups. And at the same time, behind the Knight of Cups, it's a King of Wands. Okay. So, King of Wands is a go-getter, fiery passion, motivated. Okay. And this person, nakikita ka niya from afar that you are doing good, single, nasa market ka. You can make your own empire here, Virgo. From Nine of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles. So, very stable when it comes, very abundant when it comes to, like, ang Pentacles po kasi is very grounded. All about abundance, all about the bag. Ang abundance po, hindi lang naman po pera, pero mapagmahal, ang tawag yan? Basta maalalahanin, caring, yung gets mo, I know it's Queen of Cups, pero ang Queen of Pentacles is all about entrepreneurial, loving, very loving din and loyal. Okay. So, let's see. What else? Spy. Okay, Virgo, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po, okay? Virgo, kung nafe-feel mo, meron tayong devil card. Upright. Hindi ko po ipapakita kasi baka ma-restrict na naman ako. So, meron po ditong watching you from afar obsessively, parang feeling ko nagiging habit na. Merong 9 of Swords kanina, baka for some of you nafe-feel nyo ang energy ng person na 'to. Okey. Kumbaga, I mean, parang meron kang nafe-feel na there is something or someone is watching. Ayokong manakot or just let me know in the comment below. So, sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga resonate, let me know po sa baba. So, meron ditong, as I say, nagiging habit na ang parang study ka nito with the Page of Swords eh. You know what I mean, Virgo? Underneath niya, the Devil Guard. So, parang nagiging habit. At saka mahigpit niyang hindi ipinapakita to. Kasi behind that knight, merong king, sorry. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Nakatingin sa'yo eh. Nakatingin obsessively, parang nagiging habit na. So, parang naipapaisip tong person na to na to si Virgo, napaka-interesting ano pa kaya mga nito features. So, parang at saka yung energy mo itself. Hindi ko alam. I have no idea, Virgo, if this person is kasama mo in a daily basis or coworker, customer, I don't know. Basta there is someone is admiring you from afar and studying you from afar. Okay, obsessively parang nagiging habit na. Okay, the Hierophant card. There's a contract or about religion or belief system. Or there is a hidden, what else? What is this High Priest? The Hierophant. King of Swords. And the Justice card. All about legalities, Virgo. There is something about the legalities, paper, court, contract, marriage. Okay. Pero with the King of Swords, this is very strategical, naka-underneath sa Moon Guard. Okay, sa kung ano man kontrata ng marriage, engagement, kontrata sa trabaho, anong meron man sa kontrata or sa mga papeles na nilalakad or about legalities, connected sa legalities, Virgo, I think justice will be served. Okay. Sa ngayon, siguro hindi mo pa makita, but you will know. Okay, maybe ikaw dito ang nag-i-spy obsessively regarding sa isang sitwasyon. Okay, don't worry. Pag alam mo na ikaw ay nasa tama at alam mong tama nga, no need to worry because karma will come. Justice is here. Okay, so ang source ang gagawa ng paraan para sa iyo kasi alam ng source kung tama ka o mali ka. Okay, so it will be paid off. Don't worry. Okay. Pero for some of you, there is someone here na connected about sa kontrata. Hindi ko alam kung is it a boss energy or wala po tayong gender hindi pa King of Swords is lalaki na or babae. Either way, lalaki, babae po yan. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So maybe there is a boss energy here na merong involved sa kontrata or involved some legalities here. Okay, justice will be served. And I think, clarify more. 9 of Cups. Okay. Positive ang outcome nito with the King of Cups. So, okay. So, kung meron ka mang mga hinanaing regarding sa mga legalities, Virgo, I think there is someone is going to help you here. Okay, this person, very analytical siya, matalino, and at the same time, very emotionally intelligent. Okay. But at the same time, with the 9 of Cups, I think magagawa niya ng paraan. There is one person na makakagawa ng paraan when it comes to legalities. Baka namumblema or merong something tulong when it comes to legalities, Virgo. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Or baka ayaw niyang ipaalam sa'yo na ito yung magiging way niya para mapalapit sa'yo, kind of energy. 10 of Wands. But I think this person, nakikita ka niya na marami kang responsibility, or baka itong person na to is maraming responsibility. There's a lot on this plate and this person's plate. Kaya niya siguro hindi pinapaalam dito na willing kanyang tulungan or willing kanyang, basta there is something here na pinag-aaralan din niya kung ano ang pwede niyang maging may silbi. Gusto niya para mapalapit lang sa'yo, kind of energy. Okay. Matalino. Alam ang mga legalities dito, belief system. Okay. But with the 9 of Cups at saka King of Cups, hello. There is something in this, kaya hidden eh. Okay. Pinipilit itago. So, just let me know, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Ayun na, lumabas na. So, nag-overthink tong person na to na mag-offer. Virgo, meron kang offer. Kaya lang, wala pang dalawang isip dito. I mean, hindi pa nagpa-pop out ang 2 of Swords. But, nafe-feel ko dito, merong isang person dito na pinag-aaralan ka, and at the same time, hindi niya alam kung paano siya mag-approach. Kasi with the 10 of Wands kanina, a lot of responsibility, a lot of going on, pero kaya niya kasi King ang pinag-uusapan dito eh. Excuse me. King ang pinag-uusapan dito. So, matured person. Step by step dumadaan sa proseso. Hindi siya lumalaktaw sa proseso. Gusto niya lahat legal. Idaan sa legalities. Okay. And merong offer dito, pero nagkakaroon na to ng nag-overthink eh. Okay. When it comes to offering you something, meron offer dito. A big factor, meron kang offer kasi nakikitaan ng potential. Okay, you are doing good, and baka may nakikita siya dito with the Page of Swords na obsessively studying you. And siguro bawas sa study niya, bawat meron siyang na-discover na naiisip niya na deserve mo. Okay. Kaya lang nagdadalawang isip pa siya. Okay. Or baka iniisip niya dito kung ano magiging reaction mo or anong magiging approach niya. Kaya merong legalities dito, baka meron kang kailangan about legalities, tapos aware ang person na to, saka siya lalapit. So, yun ang magiging opportunity na to get close to you. Dang. 6 of Swords. Ano pa? Knight of Wands. The Judgment. And the King of Pentacles. So, meron na tayong King of Pentacles. 6 of Swords, merong travel dito. At saka at first, parang mapiperceive mo tong person na to is a player type. But at the end of the day, oh my God, nandun na naman yung... Sorry, hindi ko napansin. Yung Judgment card. Tatakpan ko na lang ng smiley. So, basta judgment card yun. Meron na kapag full decision dito, Virgo, na meron ditong energy na parehas kayo. Meron kayong similarity. Kaya siguro, habang pinag-aaralan ka ng person na to, nare-realize niya na you are on the same page. Okay, but at the same time, mapiperceive mo to as player type energy. Hindi ko alam kung co-worker to, Virgo, kasi ang the Judgment card is related sa work, final judgment, or a calling. Okay. Knight of Wands is make things done. Okay. Let's see what else. Bottom of the deck. 5 of Swords. I mean, confrontation. Sana naman ay naririnig ako, Virgo, na. Pasensya na kung mahina. Okay. Pero definitely there is a match here. Okay. At nanonotice ng another person yan. Ang daya eh. Ikaw lang ang ini-study, tapos itong person na to hindi mo ma-study kasi pinipilit niyang itago sarili niya. Okay. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. 4 of Swords. Healing. Yung 6 of Swords kanina, moving into calmer water, peace of mind. Kasi nasa 9 of Swords na siya eh. Anxiety, kailangan niya mag-relax. Kailangan niyang i-pull out ang energy niya kasi there's a lot of this person's plate. Pero even though no, marami siya, busy siya, marami siyang responsibilidad, nakukuha niya pa rin magkaroon ng time para espayan ka or pag-aralan ka or parang watching you from afar. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, nagiging habit na eh. Okay, tapos iniisip niya dito, yun lang ang opportunity niya dito when it comes to legalities kasi I think this person is on a public eye or merong something authority. Okay, nasa authority, there's an authority figure here. Okay, Virgo. So, gusto niyang mag-offer dito ng opportunity or something. But ang dami. Sa ngayon, ang dami. Pero hindi ka naman, nadadagdag ka na lang sa ano niya eh. Isipin, di ko naman sinabi pabigat ka, hindi mo naman kasalanan na para isipin, bakit sinabi mo ba sa kanya na isipin mo siya? No. Absolutely no. Ewan ko, basta sabi ko sa'yo, meron ditong addictive person with the devil card. But with the justice card, I think, gusto ng person na to na madaliin pero hindi pwede. Alam niya yun na hindi pwede. Yung emotion niya dito is nag-aagawan eh. So, kailangan niya mag-pray, contemplate, relax, inhale, exhale. Kailangan niya mag-joyride or relax somewhere. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan. 5 of Cups. Scarcity mindset. 2 of Pentacles. Trying this person's best. Trying this person's best na mag-work out ang kahit walang plano dito or 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands. But this person, kailangan niyang i-contemplate when it comes to the offer. Gusto ng person na to mag-offer sa'yo kasi nakikitaan niya ng potential na meron kayong matching in some point. Okay, this person is matured, Virgo, maybe older than you or maybe you are older than this person or baka ikaw to, vice versa. Let's see what else. The High Priest, okay, with the 5 of Cups, scarcity mindset. Baka nag-attempt na to before, mag-a-attempt ulit. And at the same time, I think, meron na tong experience eh. 9 of Swords. Kasi pag nag-10 of Swords, hit rock bottom, ibig sabihin, marami na siguro siyang na-try. So, this person is trying his best when it comes to this opportunity, Virgo. Kailangan niya mag-contemplate. Pero yung intuition niya says otherwise. Na go lang, go, go. You know what I mean, Virgo? The full card, go, go. Kailangan niyang mag-move. Okay. Napaka-risky para sa person na to or para sa iyo, napaka-risky kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit risky. Baka yung coworker mo kasi naka-hidden siya eh with the moon guard. Tapos nag-i-spy siya dito. Pero nandun ang judgment guard, ibig sabihin recognized ka ng person na to. Okay. Gusto niya mag-rush in, baka piniperceive mo siya as player type energy, but this person is King energy, King of Wands, ini-embody niya, at saka King of Pentacles. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay. Yung character po ang gusto kong sabihin. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Sana naman ay nag-gets, no? So, let me know in the comment below. Kung mahina po, sorry po, pasensya na. Hanggang dito lang ang aking boses na makakaya eh. Pero, let's see. Tingnan natin anong advice. The end of the top cycle approaches. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. A new start is coming. Definitely, merong gustong mag-start dito or merong gustong i-offer sa itong person na to. Maybe business with the Ace of Pentacles. Kasi nakikita ka niya as entrepreneurial mindset. And I don't know kung paano ka pinag-aaralan ng person na to. Okay, pero it's very risky. Bottom of the deck, nothing will come of the situation. Alam niya sa sarili niya pag hindi siya nag-take action or naka-hidden siya dito or baka ikaw, either way, wala talagang mangyayari sa sitwasyon. So, piniprepare niya yung sarili niya. Tama lang na nag-overthink siya dito kasi hindi niya alam kung anong diskarte ang pwede niyang i-offer sa'yo. Okay. So, yun nakita ko dito, Virgo. Sana naman po ay nagets. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Meron kang 2, 2, 9, 2, 9, 10, Virgo. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo. Bye for now.